Hello guys, welcome back. Here I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 with screen lock protection, and I'll show you how to bypass the pattern lock and perform a hard reset. First, hold down the power key to turn off the device. When the menu appears, choose Power Off and confirm again. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Then use the combination of Power Key, Volume Up, and Home button, holding them together for a few seconds. Release all buttons as soon as the Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 logo appears. The Android System Recovery menu will appear. Use the volume keys to navigate. Scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power key. Scroll down to Yes, delete all user data and confirm with power. The device will wipe data and format, then press power to reboot system. The tablet is rebooting and resetting. The welcome screen appears and there is no pattern lock on your device. You can now start setting up your tablet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.